If you've ever been cruising before, then you realize something very quickly when you walk down the halls. You will see door decorations. Sometimes there's something simple like tortoise on the wall. This is what we did on our last cruise for the kids. Sometimes it's fancy decorations. It could be a happy birthday or a family cruise sign. There's something on the doors. People love to decorate the doors. And how they do this is usually with a magnetic hook or some kind of sticky hook that they put on the door to hang these on the wall. And I pretty much do this every time I cruise now. Why do people do this? Because it's fun. Some people do it because when they get really drunk, it makes it easier to find the room, or they just get lost easy. Or what number was I again? I don't remember. Doesn't matter. As long as I'm in the right hall, I will eventually find my door decoration. Therefore, that is my room. Not all cruise lines have your room number on their card. Not even all cruise lines have cards. Some use bracelets, like Virgin Voyages, and others use medallions like Princess. I got a door decoration that may interest you, especially if you're a frequent cruiser. Even if it's your first cruise, it could be something fun still. So hopefully this door decoration is good. If not, you're not gonna see this video anyway. So it's gonna be good if you're seeing this. So let's see. I ordered something really cool on Etsy. It's in a lot of bubble wrap, so I'm just gonna, probably skip ahead. And wow, I'm impressed, honestly. Have a look at it. This is the door decoration that I ordered, and this actually has all my cruises that I've been on so far. So let's take a look at that real quick. And this could be like an unwrapping video. Woo! And that's quite a bit, as you see. Has my last name and a cute little decoration. And wow, all the cruises I've been on so far. Right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Yep, that's all my cruises. And my stats with each of the cruise lines. And when I ordered this, I actually didn't even ask about what kind of Margaritaville logo they had, as well as Princess. All I knew was I saw an ad for Carnival. I didn't even know what they had for Virgin Voyages. So that is pretty darn awesome in my opinion. It has the details of every cruise I've been on. So if you want to check this out, this is not sponsored by the person who made this, but I will leave their Etsy account below because I'm legit impressed. I was kind of worried because I didn't ask too many details when I ordered it, and I probably should have. But I mean, they hit the mark. I mean, that's awesome. Everything from my first Carnival cruise through my red status to my gold status. Virgin Voyages, Margaritaville at Sea doesn't really have a program just as yet, but I do love the lime green. I did suggest lime green for Margaritaville. I didn't know what kind of decoration they're going to have. And black Princess because, well, I'm elite status on it, even though that's my only Princess I've been on because, well, I'm a travel agent, so yay. So man, definitely check this out. And one last thing, I know they said it was removable when I did ask about that. It's little metal ring hooks. I see the hooks. I know it's going to be kind of hard to see on video. It's kind of small. But yeah, just like little O-rings, kind of. Looks like you could bend them pretty easily if you really wanted to. Which means you could add and remove things to this very easily, which I'm probably going to have one for when me and my wife sell together, one just when I sell solo, one with the whole entire family. So I'm definitely going to have fun with this. So cool. Awesome. See y'all next time.